kids, I'm NBC Connecticut First Alert meteorologist Rochelle J, and today we are doing something fun, a winter science experiment where we're making a snowstorm in a jar. Now here's what you're going to need for this project. You'll need some water, some white washable paint, some baby oil or vegetable oil. Today we're going to use baby oil, some Alka-Seltzer tablets, and of course you'll need your jar. Now first things first, you are going to need adult supervision while you're doing this project. Let's get started. First, we're going to add 1 cup of water to the jar. All right, then we're going to add our paint. Just drop that in. Get that all in there. Okay. And then we're going to take the baby oil, fill it up about halfway up the jar. Get that going there. Ooh. Watch out for splatters. Woo. All right, about halfway up. And then we're going to take our Alka-Seltzer one at a time and just plop it in there. And then drop the second one. Ooh. Again, watch out for splatters. And then check this out. It's already starting to get going. Yeah, you can kind of see that fizzling up. You can definitely see that reaction pretty quickly once you drop those Alka-Seltzers in that jar. So what's the science behind this snowstorm in a jar? So these little tablets contain an acid and a base. When you mix that with water, it creates bubbles. Those bubbles pick up the white paint, and when it brings it up to the surface, those bubbles pop, the paint water mixture then drops down like a snowstorm.